Yo, YouTube, Wagwan, it's your girl, Cly So Fly. I'm here with my very first video. I decided I'm gonna do a shoe of the week video, so let's just get ready to kick it off. And before we even start, I'm just say like, comment, subscribe, let me know what I can do better for next time. Just let me know your insight, what you think about my little 1 week shoe collection. So let's just get started. Let's jump right into it. For Monday, I wore these right here to work. These are called the Zoom Pegasus All Outs. These are a mixture of 2 running shoes, actually, the Zoom All Outs and the Nike Pegasus. So I like them. They're pretty comfortable. It's kind of like a soft material here. As you can see, it says Zoom Pegasus All Out. Just trying to get that focus right there. Pegasus All Out. Anyways, so there is some 3M reflective swoosh right here. Laces. There's also some 3M reflective on the back as well. Really comfy. I wore these to work on Monday. Next shoe that I'm gonna show you guys is these all white sock darts, which are perfect for the summer. Yeah, it's all white here. Like a nice little detail of the swoosh right there. These on Tuesday for a barbecue. Just figured I'd just go all white. Alright, hop into the next shoe. So the next shoe I wore was Wednesday, which is all blue mid blazers. Right here, I wore these to work. They're really comfy for me because my feet are already flat. Like this here, it's like a blue suede gum bottom. It's kind of like a ivory. It's not really fully white. It's like an ivory white, orange Nike sign on the tongue here, and Nike sign on the back. I like them. People always dogging me about these, but these are comfy as hell. So the next shoe would be Thursday. So Thursday, I went to work and I decided to bring out some semi-heat for work, some comfy running shoes. So I decided to wear these Air Max 2017s right here. So for these are some pink Air Maxes with 3M swoosh here. It's an Air Max. Clear bubble. My personal opinion, I rather the 2016s with the Nike swoosh on the toe box here, but I got these anyways, but they still fresh. I like them. Yes. The 20 Air Max 2017. Get that. So for Friday, it rained, so I had to go equipped with the weather. So I decided for Friday, I'm gonna go equipped. I'm gonna put these on, throw these on real quick. All black. Joints right here. I love these shoes. These are like almost my favorite. Almost. Yeah, so comes with these straps here, the little tag clip here. I wear my shoes different, I buckle them. I don't really tie my shoes. Most of my shoes don't really have actual bow ties. I don't really do that, but yeah, these right here, triple black, all black, SF1 high. Love these. Fridays. So on to my Saturdays. So Saturday, I actually had a birthday party to go to. It was like a ninja theme, and the colors were like black, red, yellow, all that. So I decided to, go with the theme and pull out these. These are like my favorite Jordan 1s ever in life. Like, I'm just so thankful that I got them. You know what I'm saying? I'm very thankful. Very, very thankful I got them. So these are the New Love 1s right here. Yellow Jumpman. Gum bottom. Kind of had these for a while, so don't mind a little crusty and dusty. Only thing I don't like about Jordan 1s, that crease right there. But yeah, besides that, I wore this to a birthday party on Saturday. It was a very, very good look. These my favorite pair, Jordan 1s right here. So I actually broke these out for the very first time on Sunday, which was yesterday pretty much. Went to go see my friend. It's been a while, so I went to go hit her up. Decided to wear these right here. The 2018 Jordan Cement 3s with the Air Nike on the back. Pretty clean. I wore them from the very first time. The leather's pretty nice and stuff. I like these. Yeah, so I went to visit a friend, wore these. Went very well with my outfit. Yeah, this is my shoes of the week. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that doorbell in the little corner. Make sure you know when all my videos come on at the exact time that I post it. So just turn that post notification bell on real quick. And this is Cly So Fly. I'll be back with another video. We out. Later.